is Lily still awake? I need to find Mom and Dad.
I know you're somewhere in this house.
You always hide in clever places, Henry. Please keep walking. Please don't look here. Milo, stay quiet. Don't make a sound. What was that? Oh no, that was too loud. Henry, I heard you. A vent. Maybe this leads somewhere. Come on, Milo. We have to move. It's so narrow. But I can fit just a little farther. I'm in the bathroom. I need another way out. Wait, why is that pipe leaking? Mom, please wake up! Please wake up!
Henry, what's happening?
Something is wrong with Lily. Dad, I've never seen this box before.
Neither have I. Where did this come from?
This diary says the necklace can affect the person wearing it.
Lily, she was wearing something like this earlier. I'm here, Lily. I won't leave you. Henry, please help me. I've got you. Lily, it's me, your brother. Henry, why does everything feel so strange? Lily, don't be afraid. Just come with me. Where are you taking me? There's nowhere left to run. But I'm not running anymore, Lily. You're kind, funny, and brave. Please remember who you really are. You're kind, remember. Something inside me keeps telling me to stop you. I'm here, Lily. I won't leave you. Henry, please help me. I've got you. I couldn't control myself. You don't have to be sorry.
You're both safe now.
We'll never hurt anyone again.
I couldn't control myself. No matter what happens, we'll stay together. Family is stronger than fear.